Hello, my name is Daniel. I'm the co-founder of o.vision, and we have created a premium facial recognition-based access control solution that is currently the fastest on the market to date. In just 0.2 seconds, we're able to recognize a person while in motion, even when wearing glasses, with hats, makeup, or facial hair. This means you never have to stop walking when going through a turnstile again. This also is the most secure and convenient method to enter any building, and will be the biggest step up from keycard technology in the last 10 years. Our algorithm is a state-of-the-art algorithm that consists of multiple deep convolutional neural networks with very advanced acceleration techniques. Firstly, our system finds any faces within its field of view. Then it goes through a process of anti-spoofing, where it can detect if it's a real picture or a face, right? Then, when it's found a match, the access control system is able to let the person in. We've developed this in cooperation with AWS Activate and NVIDIA Inception. And while maintaining an accuracy rate of 1 in 10,000 false positives, which means the chance that a person that's not in the database will be recognized, we're still able to maintain 0.2 second recognition time, which is at least 2.5 times faster than any of our nearest competitors. We've also validated it on a data set now called Labeled Faces in the Wild that serves as a benchmark for the industry. And we have found that our true positive rate is 95.5%. And at a speed of 5 frames per second, this means the chance that we're able to not recognize a person that's in the system is 0.047 to the power of 5. We've developed this algorithm in cooperation with our team that consists of multiple machine learning engineers and data scientists with advanced degrees in mathematics, a tech lead with over 10 years of experience in IT and 3 years in computer vision. And currently I'm a student also at UCL studying IT and management. And in terms of our competitive advantage, we, unlike most companies doing facial recognition, we combine both hardware and software expertise. Most of the time you either have security companies that basically buy an off-the-shelf solution and plug it into their hardware, or you have a software recognition company that's basically provides easy, scalable software solutions, but it doesn't do the hardware. Our nearest competitor, Hikvision, was recently banned from the US for working with the Chinese government on facial recognition, so I don't see that happening anytime soon. The systems that you see in the airports are using infrared technology, and this eliminates the potential for you to register beforehand and enter without a passport, which defeats the purpose of convenience if you're using it in an office setting. So, for our office use case, we present an easy way for guests to register in just 1 minute. We had a talk with a McKinsey consultant that said it takes almost 10 minutes to register every time he visits a conglomerate site. We decrease any friction during the start and end of the workday when you have a high throughput of people. We eliminate the potential for any employees to pass along their key cards and check themselves in when they're absent from work, having employers foot the bill. We cut down on security staff costs, and ultimately we present for client-facing businesses a way to position their company as technologically innovative. And this is the one I'm most excited about, is entertainment and sports venues. If we are able to register people through a mobile app that we have developed, people are able to enter a conference or in sports venues without having to stop, but also without being able to resell their tickets. You cut down on queue times, you increase employee satisfaction, customer satisfaction, and we're uniquely suited for this because of our speed of throughput and easy registration process. We have developed an app for our registration where you can take just one picture, or you use existing pictures that you already have of your employees. We integrate with existing access control systems, so we're a plug-and-play solution. We're GDPR compliant because all personal data is stored only on the client side. Now we've taken on 2 academic research studies with UCL's Department of Human and Computer Interaction, which is the world-leading institution for investigating how people respond to technology. And we're trying to understand how we can better build trust with users who are a little bit more hesitant to use facial recognition, and how can we help them differentiate between the private and consensual use of it and the public and potentially unethical use. Currently, we've installed in 3 locations, with 3 different use cases with 3 unique benefits. Kraft Heinz, where they are able to use advantage of our easy-to-use registration and heightened security at a high-end gym that's able to automate their check-in process, get rid of some front-of-house staff and security staff, and also increase their customer loyalty because of the process of registration. And for the University of St. Petersburg, that has an accelerator space to create a positive first impression for those guests coming to visit. Now we're launching with the UCL School of Management in Canary Wharf, and this will give us an in with all tenants at 1 Canada Square. We operate on a leasing model, so with just $2,000 for an upfront cost and $500 per month, we include with this, first of all, integration with existing access control systems, maintenance, employee training. We go through the onboarding process with you, so we handle all aspects of the product. Now we're looking for between £700,000 and £1 million seed investment. We already have an ongoing commitment from our strategic investors for a pre-seed round that has meant that we're able to cover our operational costs, and is simply to scale. We're expanding our sales and marketing team, our development team, and also preparing for mass production of our device. Now we're looking for a corporate partner that's helping us to scale or implement, or any companies that are interested in our paid pilot projects. Thank you very much.